If you have been doing all the right skincare steps, but your skin still feels unpredictable, like oily in humidity, dry in AC, reactive for no clear reason, then this video is for you. Because that's exactly me. My skin didn't change because I added more products. It changed because I simplified my skincare routine and added products that are actually the need of the hour. And above all, I focused on protecting my skin barrier. Today, I'm sharing my updated AM and PM skincare routine, the products I have recently incorporated, why they were recommended, and most importantly, how they feel on the skin when you use them consistently. Now, this routine that I'm going to show you is a dermatologist-guided routine. I have followed it for almost about a month and one more month to go. And today I want to give you a realistic update, not hype. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Neha. Before I get into the products, here is the mindset shift that actually matters. No matter whether your skin is oily, dry, sensitive, acne prone, or a combination of these, what actually matters, your skin barrier decides everything. You can treat pigmentation, texture, or acne later, but if your barrier is compromised, nothing works properly. The routine that I'm going to share today is built entirely around cleansing without stripping, treating gently, and protecting daily. Step 1, cleanser. Zerified Soothing and Calming Cleanser. This is a creamy, non-stripping cleanser, and texture-wise, it feels exactly like what dry, leaning, or barrier-compromised skin needs. I use this morning and night. When you massage it in, it feels soft and cushiony, not foamy, not harsh. When you add a little bit of water, it does feel slightly foamy, but very comfortable to work with. I work it into the skin in circular motions, rinse about after a minute or two, and my skin feels clean, not squeaky, but noticeably soft. After testing so many different kinds of cleanser, what I have realized for my skin type, which gets oily in humidity and feels really dry in air-conditioned rooms, if I use a cleanser that gives me that squeaky clean skin, that's a guaranteed breakout trigger. And when I got this cleanser, one description really caught my attention. It says, creamy cleanser is formulated with coconut-derived cleansing ingredients that naturally foam without stripping lipids from the skin. Now, this is very important if you want to maintain healthy skin barrier. Imagine lipids to be like cement that is holding all your skin cells together. If there is a breakage or compromised skin barrier, meaning your lipid structure is broken, your skin is sure to experience some sort of irritation, sensitivity, redness, breakouts. So having this lipid structure intact is the key for a good barrier health. Step 2, Dermamate Melafade Serum. This is a very focused formulation. It just has 8 ingredients, and key actives include 5% tranexamic acid, 2% kojic acid, 1% hexyl resorcinol, and that's it. No filler actives, no overload. Texture-wise, slightly sticky at first, hydrates immediately, settles comfortably within a minute. It does have a yellowish tint, and you will notice it briefly on application. But once you spread it on your skin, it absorbs, it disappears. What stood out to me is that even within a few uses, my skin tone started looking more even. Not dramatic, not overnight, just calmer and more balanced. And this serum here is a great example of quiet effectiveness. Step 3 is the Zerified Soothing and Calming Moisturizer. It is especially formulated for dry and sensitive skin type. Now this moisturizer here, it continues the ceramide first philosophy. It sits right in that middle ground where skin feels protected, but not greasy and not suffocated. On my skin, it absorbs well and immediately takes away any tightness from treatment products. This is actually the kind of moisturizer that supports your routine instead of fighting it. And the last step, yes, just 4 steps, sunscreen. Elta MD UV Daily SPF 40 Tinted. This is honestly one of the best daily tinted sunscreens I have used Yes, it looks lighter at first. Don't panic. Once you blend it in, the tint settles beautifully and gives a natural glow, not grease. Why I love tinted sunscreens? Because they even out the skin slightly. One thing I would like to bring to your attention, if you are a brown skin person, it makes a lot of sense that you introduce tinted mineral sunscreen or tinted sunscreens in general into your skincare routine. As our brown skin is prone to hyperpigmentation, or even if you have had some dark patches with heat or with sunlight exposure, even when you're wearing sunscreen, the visible light still seeps in, which can aggravate existing patches or may trigger the new ones. Iron oxides in tinted sunscreens actually help your skin protect from visible light as well. The best part, however, they even out your skin slightly. They reduce the need for foundation. I have seen whenever I'm wearing tinted sunscreen and I have to wear makeup, I don't go in with a full foundation face. I just go in with my concealer, use it where it's actually necessary. So it's perfect for everyday wear too. This sunscreen finishes the AM routine by protecting the barrier, which is non-negotiable. My night routine is almost the same, minus sunscreen. Xerophyte cleanser, Dermamade Melafade serum, and Xerophyte moisturizer. However, because I also use retinoid, so on retinoid nights, I make slight tweaks. I add extra moisturization, either another layer of the same Xerophyte moisturizer or a second, more nourishing one. Retinoids are effective, but they are slightly drying, and supporting the skin barrier on those nights is what prevents irritation and flaking. This is where my Immune moisturizers come in, and if you have been following me, you already know how much I trust them. They are non-comedogenic, calming, reliable in recovery phases. Anytime my skin reacts, these are my reset products. I wanted to share this routine because it reflects a shift, not just in products, but in how I approach skincare now. Less chasing results, more supporting the skin. This routine also helped stabilize my skin during travel, weather changes, and active use. And that's what long-term skin health actually looks like. If you're someone whose skin behaves differently depending on climate, stress, or actives, this approach might help you too. Let me know in the comments what part of your skincare routine feels unstable right now. Or if you want a follow-up with close-up and zoomed in shots of before and after shots. And that is all for today's video. I'll see you all in my next one. Until then, stay tuned, stay beautiful.